Hey guys, welcome back again to TechCeasy. Today I'm going to be showing us how we can create a YouTube playlist, okay, from our YouTube videos. For those that are new on YouTube and you've been wondering how you can create your playlist, and this video I'm going to be showing you how you would do that. So the first thing you do is to open your YouTube, open the YouTube app. If you open your app, okay, you can go to your YouTube channel. Open the YouTube channel, go to your channel, open your channel, and this is all the video in my channel for now. So how do I create that playlist? I want to put all this video in a particular playlist. So what do I do? So what I do now, okay, you can see up here there is playlists. Okay, these are all my last video. This is another one I did, but now I'm gonna create a new one. Like I said, open your channel. Okay, this is where all your videos are. And also, using this method, before you can put these videos in a playlist, what you have to do is make sure you open all the videos them in a playlist. So let's go. How do we do that? If you go down to the right side of your channel, you will see where this arrow icon is pointing. It is called library, or library as some call it. In that, just touch on that library icon by the right side down part of your phone. If you touch on that library, another page will pop up, okay, with the history of videos you've watched, everything you have watched so far. It will pop up. Then you go down, you can see where there is playlist, then there is new playlist with blue, it's written in blue, and by the side of it you can see this plus icon by the side, plus sign. Just click on that new playlist, the plus sign. If you just touch it, yes, it will bring out all the videos you've watched so far, how many weeks or whatever, every video you've watched so far, it will bring them out. Now, to create those videos you want to put in your playlist, like I told you guys, I'm going to put the 3 in my channel in a playlist. So I just click the first one, it turns to red, the blue. Second one, it turns to blue, and the third one. These are the 3 I want to put in a playlist. After that, go up, you can see the blue icon there where it's written next. Click on that next icon. When you click on it, it will bring you a smaller box will pop out with new playlist. There you go, and put the title of what you want. Okay, I'll just say my TechCeasy. For example, you can put whatever you like. Okay, I'll just put TechCeasy. Then down you see where it's written, is it going to be, click on this drop down arrow. Okay, when you click on it, it will ask you if you want to make it public, unlisted, or private. So whichever way, I'm going to be making my public. So after that, you see cancel or create, you create. That is how you create a playlist on YouTube using your mobile phone. As you can see, TechCeasy 3 videos. I've created that playlist. If you still want to make other ones, same thing you do. Okay, so guys, this is basically how you create a playlist on YouTube. Okay, so thank you guys for sticking by. If you want me to do any other tutorial or any video, please leave a comment for me in the comment section and we'll look at that. See you guys by God's grace in my next video.